My favorite part about participating in the CTE program is that it allowed and taught me skills that I can use in the real world. It is one of the only few programs that I truly feel like I learned something that will help me establish my occupational career later in life. The effort you put in translates over into what you'll get out of it. The harder you tried within the program, the more the person is going to be able to take out of it for their future. If they blew it off and didn't give it precedence, the skills they could have learned slipped past them. My favorite part about our industrial programs are the industry credentials students can earn as a part of post-secondary success. We are thrilled to offer NIMS, Automotive Service of Excellence, and American Welding Society. We are also planning to extend these opportunities in the near future. I'm also passionate about educating our counselors and families on the opportunities and benefits of CTE. The world needs students who will be equipped with academic, personal, and technical skills necessary for success in the workforce. I like it when a past student calls me and tells me about their success and then thanks me for teaching them to be successful in the welding field. The best part about the CTE program is not sitting at a desk. The CTE program offers many different courses that can help us with our future careers. My favorite part about participating in the CTE program is how involved we are. We have been able to do projects where we can explore and find topics that interest us. These hands-on projects spark our interest and allows us to further expand our knowledge. Starting a program from the ground floor was an incredible opportunity. Doing it for 2 separate programs was unbelievable. Creating a space for kids to find a lifelong passion has always been my focus as an educator, and now having arguably the best shops around to do it in is truly a dream come true.